Branding is also about being the mayor or the connector to your sphere of influence. People should know if they need help, want to know something, want to be connected, to call you. That's branding, because you're going to be known as the helpful, knowledgeable, connected person. That's branding in itself too. And that type of branding does not come from doing a marketing ad that says, I'm your girl, I know everybody, give me a call. Okay, that doesn't work like that. How it works is you being involved in the community and consistently offering value. And so people just know.